So mo gona bona re na le a number, a letter, and number nyana e nyane kwa godimo. What are these things? Well, this number even mo godimo re bitsa the exponent. Even though some textbooks may call it the power, but now I prefer you calling it the exponent because as you go up the grades, you will learn or power is actually this thing kam kana ga yona e. So you can just it depending on your teacher bana ka o e bitsa bjang, but nna ke bitsa an exponent. And then this re boletše ka yona in the previous videos, or this is a variable. And then this one, that is the coefficient. I'm gonna explain gore ke ding the number JK and what are their functions. Ne? This is the coefficient. I believe you guys have textbooks or workbooks. You see the spellings. Yeah, that is the coefficient. This is the variable, and that is the exponent. Now, guys, the exponent is just a number yenyani yela ebeng kwa godimo. For example, 2b. This is b to the exponent of 2. Some may say b squared, but if you don't understand what are they saying, or squared whatever, just know that this is b to the exponent of 2. Ke b in an exponent ya 2. Z3. This is z to the exponent of 3. Hope it makes sense. What is a variable? Variable re boletše ka yona gore ke any number ye le goreng e emetše, I mean ke a letter, excuse me, ye le gore e emetše a number legatong. Yela e ka ba -7, e ka ba 100, e ka ba million or whatever, right? So it's variable ke the letters, every letter of the alphabet, it's called a variable. So as a fela, A, B, C up to Z, le X, le Y, those things are the variables in mathematics. And now this number even it's called a coefficient. Coefficient is a number you multiply. Usually we want to multiply variable. For example, 2b. B is our coefficient because they multiply b. How gabana the number melane ka mokgoki, they are multiplying each other. Or this is 2 multiplied by b. Just like any rebana mogodim, ya 3a. This is actually 3 multiplied by a. So kind of a number a letter the bottom line kamho. Just know they are multiplying each other. And just know that go kavale 4 multiplied by a, but in simplest way, what's a root over 4a? So whenever you're multiplying a number and a letter together, uno di tlakantsha ba ntwe 1, number ya tla pele, letter ya tla ka morao. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, anyway, that is a coefficient. It's a number that multiplies the variable. But you're gonna see it's not only I multiply the variable fair, but in this case, the coefficient ke a multiplier the variable. A multiplier the variable. Okay. Why am I showing you this? Remember, we're still under solve for x. Ne? We learn about transposing, which is a shifter number lowering your multiplier. I mean, your adder or your subtractor. Now, globally, this case, whereby really 2x equal to 6. Already, revelation as long as we solve for x. So, x are not the subject of the formula. Required by that time, or when you had a number loria adder get this number I transpose. But now, as you can see, arena a number loria adder or subtract. No renale number loria multiply. Because required or 2x, this can be written as 2 multiplied by x. I get Mara now. Let me write x here properly. Because here we can what like a multiplication side. 2x equals to 6. Ra tseba re tshwantse re dire x subject of the formula, meaning gore tshwantse re ntšhe number e beng gaufi le x. The question ke gore re ntšha bjang gape number ga e edibula e subtract, meaning gore re ka se itše ra iša ka kwa side-eng yela. It's impossible. It's a coefficient. So now how do we remove coefficient? You must learn this thing. Whenever you are removing a number that is multiplying, we ntšha ka go divide. When you are removing number ya go divide, we ntšha ka go multiply. So re ntšha ka the inverse ya yona. Mo re bolela ka multiplication. Ga o ka ba le 2b, o no kontsha this 2, we ntšha ka go divide. Ka bokae? Ka 2. Why? Because you have toward this 2, e cancel this 2, o kgona go šala ka b ya gago ye o e nyakang. So whenever on cha number ring ya multiply, I get 2 here kwano ya multiply because it's 2 multiplied by b. So gore o enche so ne o enche ka o divide ka 2 or 2 ye cancel 2 ye o kgona o shala ka whatever that you're looking for. In this situation, re na le 2x, meaning gore re ntsha that 2, re ka se transpose, re tlo divide ka 2. But remember that whatever you do on the left-hand side, you must also do on the right-hand side. These 2 will cancel these 2. I will discover in your examination or they cancel, you just leave it like this. Because it's just a video. 2 cancel a 2 and then oshalaka x ya gago. Then this side you just use your calculator where 6 divided by 2 or 3. This means or x ya gago e lekana le 3. It's very simple. Just remember that all you have to do go to the x subject of the formula. If ever number even x it's a multiplying, this means you need to win by dividing. 5x equal to 15. Same thing. So in 5. So we divide 5 both sides so that this 5 cancel this 5. Then rebali x equal to, and then what is 15 divided by 5? 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. O solve x in this way. Just note our coefficient ya go ke bokae. As long as o ka note coefficient ya go ke bokae, then o feditse. Negative 7x equal to 14. O tlo divide ka bokae? Ka negative 7. You can't divide by 7. Go ka divide by 7, it means or wena 7 e cancel 7 e. But what about this negative sign? Remember re no kontsha everything ye beng gausi le x. So go ra re tlo divide ka negative 7. Ka mo re divide ka negative 7, go ra re le ka mo tshwantse re divide ka negative 7. This negative 7 will cancel this negative 7. Reshalaka x ya rena. And then this side you know 14 divided by negative 7. And then you're going to get negative 2. And then that is your answer. I hope it makes sense. Coefficient, divide. Let's look at this example. 2x plus 4 equal to 28. It's the same thing. Resolve x. Meaning you must make x the subject of the formula. So bona x yago e attached to these 2. So go you dira subject of the formula. Obviously, bona re na le positive 4 ya add again. And ra tsaba re na number ya go add re gona go transpose. Mara o ka se transpose wa ba divider all at the same time. You must do step by step. E lebella mo re na le 2x plus 4 ke term tse pedi mo. Term ya mathomo, term ya bobedi. I would advise you gore never divide on a term tse pedi. Try by all means gore o dire gore o na le term e tee ka go left, o na le term e tee ka go right. So re tlo ba le term e tee jwang ka go ntšha 4 e ra isha ka kwa side-ing lela. So ra re ka mo re šhala ka 2x ya rena then equal to 28. A ke re 4 yela ya plus, so re ka kgona go e change. It is positive ge e fitlha ka mo e ba negative 4. If you don't understand what I'm doing, please watch the video tša mathomong tša go transpose. Then re na le 2x equal to, what is 28 not divide, but 28 minus 4 ke 24. And then now on a le term e tee ka mo na le term e tee ka mo, meaning gore you can divide. A ke re no go ntsha 2 yeke now. So this means we can divide both sides ka bokae ka 2 because re no go remove that 2. Yo cancelana, then o shala ka x then equal to 24 divided by not 4, 24 divided by 2, then ya go fa the value of 12. Where x ao e lekana le 12. So it's not like o tlo phela o file solve for x ya go ba so fela, and it's not like o tlo phela o ba le solve for x ya go ba so. Just know gore ba ka no tlhakantsha this 2 like years tso fetsang go e solve ba go fa 3x plus 7 equal to 36, whereby you have to transpose this first and then go fetsa o transpose mola o ntsha coefficient by dividing. What about ba go fa negative 5x plus 5 equal to 25? Let's check out the 5 okay. Ke dira this thing because I can get answer ka empa decimal. Again, you make x the subject of the formula, or uncha this 5 which are to the other side. So vale oshalaka minus 5x equal to 25. Then this is positive 5 here to the other side eba negative 5. Then kamar shalaka negative 5x equal to, what is 25 minus 5? K 20. And then now again, ra tla re dira subject of the formula. Re sane go e dira subject of the formula. Wa re swantse re ntshe this -5. Re ntsha bjang coefficient by dividing ka that coefficient both sides. So that coefficient ke -5, ra re divide ka -5 both sides. Then -5 here, like cancel a -5 here, re shala ka x, and then this part, what is 20 divided by -5, that is -2. And then that is your answer, guys. As simple as that. Not -2. Let's just say -2. 20 divided by -5, erfa -4, not -2. Sorry, you did a mistake. Yeah, that is how you solve, guys. Very simple. Just have to consider sign. As long as Bakar solve for x, you must consider the sign, because Bakar or -2x equal to 27. And then Moki already schedule kancha, because ulivejor the sign and the apply abang. Just do the same thing. This thinking -2x. I get require sign a high number. So this is -2x, and then we just 7 we to the other side is positive if it like a negative, and then over -2x. Then what is 27 minus 7? 20. And then whatever coefficient we divide by -2 both sides. Then -2 cancel a -2, reshalaka x, and then this side about 20 divided by -2. I hope I wasn't very fast. Then it's of a -10. I hope I wasn't too fast. If I was too fast, go rewatch the video over and over again until ukushisha. This is how rincha the coefficient.